Natoya Goule, the only one making progress by winning her heat. It was the final heat of the competition. Kellyanne Beckford and Adele Tracy outside 2 minutes, both of them, and not making it through to the semi-final round. But Natoya Goule continues to let her presence felt at these global events, and once again another comfortable qualification through to the semi-final round. But this is where the real running starts, and this is probably the stage between the semi-final and the final where she hasn't always run her best races.
Yeah, Natoya does face a big challenge in that the women, unlike the men, and she controlled her heat so well, took up the lead and maintained that lead and won the race, really was never challenged. But Natoya faces a situation where the women have been keeping the pace honest in some of these distance races. And we see her here, control, this is the heats. You say the real running starts in the semis, and I won't argue that, but a lot of people have been lost to the heats. Yeah. So, yeah, she's going to have to do her very best just to get to the top 8, because the 800 is one of those races, if you want to go and lead, you could run the risk of being a rabbit. And if you hang back too much and don't have the kick that the others ladies have, you're problems either way. And
I say the rerunning starts at the semi-final stage specifically for Natoya because she's never had an issue in the opening round. Yeah. She's always managed to comfortably get by this stage, and she's done that once again. So we'll look forward to see if she'll be able to make it into the final, which will be contested on Sunday. Gentlemen, we're all out of time. I tell you what, these shows are going so quickly. And there's another one. Can't believe we're, up an hour already. Well, let's have a look at the medal table then at the end of day number 6. The United States of America still atop. They have 12 medals, including 8 gold. Kenya in second, 7 medals, 4 gold. Canada in third, 3 medals, all of them gold. New Zealand in fourth, 2 medals, all of them gold. Jamaica in 5th position, 6 medals, including 1 gold, 4 silver in there, and 1 bronze medal. Portugal with that 1 medal. It was in the 1500 meters that Bruce spoke about, and yes, Bahrain on the table as well with a silver and a bronze. Caribbean nations, Dominica there, Grenada there. Remember, St. Lucia was there from day number 2 with Julian Alfred in the 100 meters. Yes, this sport is a global sport. Yeah, just look at the numbers, close to 40 countries picking up medals, and yes, it is absolutely amazing. That is what you want, the medals spreading right across the globe.